Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 10th Science 1 Workshop of Lesson number 7 Lenses. If you want to see this video in Marathi, then you will get the link in description box. Before starting the workshop, subscribe my channel and to get notification, touch the bell icon. Question 1. Match the column in the following table and explain them. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. Far-sightedness. Far away object can be seen clearly. Convex lens. In far-sightedness, the human eye can see far away object clearly, but cannot see nearby object distinctly. To correct this defect, a convex lens with proper focal length is used. Presbyopia, problem of old age. Bifocal lens, the ability of the muscles near the eye lens to change the focal length of the lens decreases with age. This defect is known as presbyopia. In this defect, sometimes people suffer from both nearsightedness and far-sightedness. Therefore, bifocal lenses are required to correct this defect. Nearsightedness. Nearby object can be seen clearly. Concave lens. In nearsightedness, the human eye can see nearby objects clearly, but cannot see far away objects distinctly. To correct this defect, a concave lens with proper focal length is used. Question 2. Draw a figure explaining various terms related to a lens. In this figure, we can see the point inside a lens on the principal axis through which light rays pass without changing their path is called the optical center of a lens, that is O. The centers of spheres whose parts from surfaces of the lenses are called centers of curvature, that is C1 and C2. The radii of the spheres whose parts from surfaces of the lenses are called the radii of curvature, that are R1 and R2. F1 and F2 are the principal foci of the convex lens. The distance between the optical center and principal focus of a lens is called its focal length f. Question 3. At which position will you keep an object in front of a convex lens so as to get a real image of the same size as the object? Draw a figure. To get a real image of the same size as the object should be placed at a distance equal to twice the focal length of the lens at a point 2f1 from the lens as shown in the ray diagram. Question 4. Give scientific reasons. A. Simple microscope is used for watch repairs. When an object is placed within the focal length of convex lens, one gets a magnified and erect image of the object. Thus, the watch repairer can see the minute part of the watch more clearly with the help of simple microscope than the naked eye without any strain on the eye. A magnification of about 20 times is obtained by simple microscope. Hence, simple microscope is used for watch repairs. B. One can sense colors only in bright light. The retina in our eyes is made of different cells, rod-shaped and cone-shaped. The rod-shaped cell respond to intensity of light and send the information to brain, while cone-shaped cells send information of different colors of light to the brain. Rod-like cells are sensitive for faint light also, whereas the conical cells do not respond to faint light. Hence, one can sense colors only in bright light. C. We cannot clearly see an object kept at a distance less than 25 cm from the eye. The muscles attached to the eye lens help in fine adjustment of the focal length of the lens. The capacity of these muscles to contract or relax to adjust the focal length has a limit. The minimum distance of an object from a normal eye for which the eye lens can decrease its focal length to the least possible value is 25 cm. Hence, we cannot clearly see an object kept at a distance less than 25 cm from eyes. Question 5. Explain the working of an astronomical telescope using refraction of light. The telescope, which works on the refraction of light, is a refracting telescope. It consists of two convex lenses called objective and eyepiece. The objective has large diameter and large focal length. The eyepiece has shorter focal length and small diameter. These two lenses are mounted at the end of hollow metallic tube such that the distance between them can be adjusted. Light rays from distant object is incident and objective and forms an image AB. This image AB acts as an object for eyepiece. It is adjusted in such a way that final image is formed at infinity. To change the magnification, eyepiece of different focal lengths can be used by keeping the objective same. Question 6. Distinguish between farsightedness and nearsightedness. Farsightedness arises due to slight flattening of the eyeball. Nearsightedness arises due to slight elongation of the eyeball. Farsightedness, the distance between the eye lens and retina decreases. In nearsightedness, the distance between the eye lens and the retina increases. In farsightedness, a person is unable to see nearby objects. In nearsightedness, a person is unable to see distant objects. Farsightedness can be corrected by using spectacles having convex lenses. Nearsightedness can be corrected by using spectacles having concave lenses. Concave lens, convex lens. Concave lens is thinner at the center than at the edges. Convex lens is thicker at the center than at the edges. Concave lens is called diverging lens. Convex lens is called converging lens. Concave lens form only virtual image. Convex lens can form real and virtual image. Question 7. What is the function of iris and the muscles connected to the lens in human eye? Function of iris. Iris controls the amount of light entering the eye by contracting and widening the pupil. Function of muscles. The muscles hold the lens such that they can provide fine adjustment of focal length of eye lens by contracting and relaxing. Question 8. Solve the following examples. Doctor has prescribed a lens having power plus 1.5D. What will be the focal length of the lens? What is the type of the lens? And what must be the defect of vision? In this problem, power is given plus 1.5D and we have to find out here focal length, that means f. Our formula is f is equal to 1 upon p. P is given 1.5. So we will keep here 1 upon 1.5D. That means 10 upon 15. After dividation, we will get 0.67 meter. The prescribed lens is convex lens of focal length plus 0.67 meter and the defect in vision is farsightedness. A 5 cm high object is placed at a distance of 25 cm from a converging lens of focal length of 10 cm. Determine the position, size and type of the image. In this problem, height of object is 5 cm, focal length is given 10 cm and object distance is given minus 25 cm. And we have to find out here image distance V and height of image H2. So our formula is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Therefore, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F plus 1 upon U. And here we know the value of F and U, so we will keep value. 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon minus 25. To equal the denominator, 1 into 5 upon 10 into 5 minus 1 into 2 upon 25 into 2. So here our denominator is equal, that means 50 centimeter. 5 minus 2 upon 50 centimeter. After subtraction we get answer 3 upon 50 centimeter. After dividation, image distance is 16.67 centimeter. That means near about 16.7 centimeter. Now we will find out height of image. Our formula is h2 upon h1 is equal to v upon u. That means h2 is equal to v upon u into h1. We will keep the value. h2 is equal to 50 upon 3 upon minus 25 into 5 centimeter. Minus 50 into 5 upon 25 into 3 centimeter. After dividation, we will get answer minus 10 upon 3 centimeter. That means minus 3.33 centimeter. The real inverted image of height 3.3 centimeter is formed at 16.7 centimeter. Three lenses having power 2, 2.5 and 1.7D are kept touching in a row. What is the total power of the lens combination? In this problem, given P1, 2, P2, 2.5 and P3 is given 1.7. We have to find out here power of combination P. So our formula is P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. We will keep the value 2 plus 2.5 plus 1.7. After addition, we will get power of combination 6.2D. An object kept 60 cm from a lens gives a virtual image 20 cm in front of the lens. What is the focal length of the lens? Is it a converging lens or diverging lens? In this problem, given object distance minus 60 cm, image distance minus 20 cm. We have to find out here focal length. So our formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. We will keep the value 1 upon minus 20 minus 1 upon minus 60 is equal to equal the denominator 1 into 3 upon minus 20 into 3 minus 1 upon minus 60. Now our denominator is equal 60 centimeter. So minus in bracket 3 minus 1 upon 60 centimeter minus 2 upon 60 centimeter. After dividation we get answer minus 1 upon 30 centimeter means focal length is equal to minus 30 centimeter. The focal length of the lens is minus 30 centimeter and the lens is diverging in nature. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have any problem then please comment me.